Hey guys, it is Danny and welcome to another video, and I'm here with updates on the tropics. We have a newly formed depression, tropical depression number 4, actually subtropical depression number 4, our fourth depression of this hurricane season, likely to be subtropical storm Dolly. But before I go into details, please ensure to subscribe if you haven't and tap the notification bell so you know every time when I post new video, because I will keep you guys updated on tropical cyclone activity right throughout the hurricane season. And you can also follow me on Instagram, my weather account. It's Weather Girl Danny and my main is Dani'i Henry official. So now let us go to the National Hurricane Center's cone of uncertainty, and here we're seeing that the depression has winds of 35 miles per hour, and it is moving to the east-northeast at 9 miles per hour, and it is well offshore of the United States, so no direct impacts are expected there, and we're not seeing any tropical storm watches or warnings that are in place. And so you might be wondering, the system is located so far up north. Why is it strengthening and how is it forming? Well, it is all due to the warm ocean temperatures of the Gulf Stream. I'll go to the sea surface temperature map shortly. And due to that, remember that tropical cyclones need warm, moist conditions in order to develop and intensify, and that is what has been happening with this tropical or newly formed depression here, and we're seeing that it is expected to briefly become a subtropical storm according to the name Dolly, and weakening back as it moves out of those little marginally warm waters of the Gulf Stream. And for potential impacts there, we kind of see it being for Newfoundland right there in the 5% chance of tropical storm force winds. And so we have to keep watching this because this shaded area here, this cone here, can shift more westward at any time where more impacts would be. So we just have to keep watching it. And on satellite view right now, there we have it. It is looking, we're seeing that hooked feature right there. We're seeing the subtropical characteristics, and so we guys, as I said, we just have to keep watching the system for any more impacts that could be expected from this as time goes by. And next up we have the sea surface temperature map, and so we're seeing here right there where you see that little narrow stretch of warm waters. Well, you're not seeing it very clearly, but it is located, that is the Gulf Stream, and that is how we're having this newly formed depression intensifying. And so, as I said, we're expecting it to become subtropical storm Dolly, but very briefly, but it will become our fourth named storm of this season, guys. And so that is really it for this update. So if you found this video to be pretty informative, please leave a thumbs up, and you can also share thoughts in the comments or ask a question. I will try to respond as best and as soon as I can. And remember to always be weather-wise, and I will keep giving all the necessary updates on the tropics as time goes by.